This is San Vicente, and after the trip, we're already planning to come back.
So nice! It's the feeling na pagdating pa lang, alam ko nang babalikan. Who's there?
MTV.
Oh, welcome to my crib. This is a room tour of our room. We got the most basic room. Small, but it's elegant. 60s, big TV. You got dirty bed, the bed, and for the CR. There, it's basic.
It's basic.
But that's not the selling point here. Let's check out the amenities. I passed those workout, so we're gonna check the other amenities. What's that, Mai?
Pickleball.
And they have a pickleball court here. I think this is the restaurant, but it's still closed. So this resort is still relatively new. They're still building it as we speak of. Still many unfinished rooms, amenities. It's looking really good right now. Dude, this long boardwalk is really scenic. Wow! Other than the resort, which has rooms, these are their villas. So, yan, very nice looking. I think it's like good for like 4 people. I definitely book this one if we were more. And it's in front of the swimming pool.
Oh my god, it's really soft. What?
Like it's very comparable to Boracay.
Yeah, it's just not that white, but it's really soft.
It's not that white, but okay, the color is slightly brown, but I think texture white.
Yeah, that's true.
Wow! What can you say about this beach?
It's so nice.
Ano, babalikan?
Yeah.
So these waves are definitely surfable right now. Sunset na, and now we're gonna go back to the resort and chill, maybe swim, eat. I'm so hungry. Ganda dito. Have table tennis here. Oh! Billiards. Table tennis, billiards, foosball, darts, pickleball. But they don't even know, the staff doesn't even know what pickleball is. Hey guys, so now we're gonna have dinner. I think it's gonna be a seafood feast. Fresh spring rolls, like a seafood platter with like crabs, mussels, and lobster. And what's the other one? Grilled tanige. Oh my god.
Oh my god, I'm so excited.
After we eat, we're gonna see you tomorrow. Okay, good morning. It's our next day in Hotel Elizabeth, and we're gonna try the rooftop pool here in the resort. Dito na tayo sa rooftop pool. Okay, I'm gonna go swim myself and then we're gonna explore a little bit of San Vicente later. So, see you. And now we rented a scooter and we're gonna go try out Club Agutaya. They have a cafe there. Club. What did I say?
Club.
The club. With the club.